Hello everyone. Today we are starting our new topic, force. What is force? Why it is changing the position of body and shape of the body and all other things we are discussing in this lecture. The student learning objective for this topic is define force and write its units. Define different types of forces such as frictional force, gravitational force, and magnetic force. Infer the effects of forces such as how the force changes the shape and size of object and also changes in its state of rest or motion of an object. List down positive and negative effects of frictions. Relate the gravitational force with the weight and define pressure with respect to the force and its units. Now, what is the secret of force and what do you think you know about what is force? Share your findings with your teacher and discuss if you know already about the force. Force basically it is push or pull. Pushing or pulling anything, any object, any person acting upon object as a result of its interaction with another object. But like this horse is pulling the cart in a tug of war, people are pulling, one group is pulling to the other group. Okay, this is pushing and pulling. Now, force in terms of physics. Physics saying that force is a quantity that may change the state of motion of an object. That may change. It means force change or try to change the state of object, either the state of motion of the object, either the state of rest of the object. Like hockey hit the ball. Ball is at rest, then after hitting the ball, the position of the ball or state of the ball is in motion. Same, sometimes it change the state change of shape of the ball. Like calculation of the force is with the help of formula F equal to ma. Okay, now what can force do to motion? A force can make an object move or a force can make an moving object stop. Okay. Now, second most important, a force can change the direction of a moving object. Like in different sports, we are changing the direction of the ball. Okay. Now, what is net force? It is also known as resultant force. A single force that acts and causes a change in the state of motion of an object. A single force that acts and causes a change in the state of motion. Okay, now after the net force, we are discussing about the balance force. Like in this picture, both sides pushing or pulling. The total applied force while pushing or pulling the object is same, so net force will be 0. And as a result of net force will be 0, there is no change in the state of motion and shape. So both forces F1 and F2 must be equal to 0. Okay, now What about the unbalanced force? While moving a toy car, a force is applied by hand and car is moving towards the forward, or in the diagram it's moving rightward. It means the force provided by the finger is greater than the friction force or surface force. So the net force is not equal to zero, and as a result the balance force is unbalanced, so the body is accelerated, it is moving. Same in the below figure, two boys or two persons are starting arm wrestling. If the force applied by right one is 6 Newton and the force applied by left one is 3 Newton, then the resultant net force will not be zero. So the left hand person is winning the, and the hand of right hand is going downward. Okay. Now this is called unbalanced force. Now we are comparing the balanced and unbalanced forces. This is simplest example of balance and unbalanced force. Three peoples are pulling each other, but the applied force is 300 Newton and 300 Newton. While they are moving, applying more force, it means leftward is higher force and rightward is lower force. So the upward picture is balanced force and the lower picture is unbalanced force. Now we have to calculate the force, how much force a body is applying, or we are applying a force on other body. What is the quantity of force? By calculating the quantity of force, we have using the formula F equal to ma, where F is the net force, m is the mass of the body, and a is the acceleration of the body, which is produced by the force. This is generalized form for the mathematically F M A multiply and divide sign. Okay. Now here is divide. If you are calculating M, if you are using M, calculating M, then the formula will be M equal to F divided by A. Okay. And now if you are using A, you are calculating A, then you will use F divided by M. Okay. And if you are calculating the force, then it will be F equal to MA. This is the formula. Okay. Now for force having unit Newton, and for mass its unit is kilogram, and the acceleration it is meter per second square. How fast a body is moving or how slow a body is moving. Unit of force is Newton, unit of mass is kilogram, and unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Now SI unit of force is Newton N. It is represented by N. 1 Newton equals to 1 kilogram into 1 meter per second square. Here are some types of forces which we are dealing in the next lecture. There are different types of forces like friction force, gravity force, applied force, drag force, spring force, magnetic force, tension force, and buoyant force. You have to get other types of forces and share your finding with your teachers. Okay. And if you have think there are so many or more forces like these, then share your findings and share the teacher that there are also different types of forces. Okay. Thank you.